Mal, get the Jason!
Buddy, Robbie's bike's taking a
Scotty, I hope that's not going on a video.
Of course it is.
Yeah, mate, it's going.
I hope not. Listen here, big fella. I've got a problem that's been over dumping fuel.
Uh-huh.
I probably put too much in here.
So I hope you boys aren't leaking any fluids. We got a coolant leak over here. We do a bit of bike scrutiny, see who's got the shiniest. Look at this. Whoa, wait there. This exhaust pipe's taking a beating.
Hold that, Chase.
Oh!
Alright, hang on, we've got to go to plan B.
You had one job.
Yeah, one job.
Oh, this is going to be not good.
Hey, oh!
That's not going to
Inside
work.
the bladder. That's got to be a learner. You know what? The only thing I can say on camera, at least I don't ride like I'm doing now. And I've got things that can back it up. You know what, Scotty? I'm going to use the funnel on the funnel.
Funnel on the funnel. I suggested that earlier.
Is it?
Yeah.
Good to see you filming this, you know. I should have watched a bit of film out of that.
Church you were around one of those behind the school.
Couple of troublemakers walking home.
So the next day, the anticipation was palpable. Robbie got a bit too excited and started doing monos down the main street. But yeah, the law caught up with him.
Rob, what have you done?
Oh, I popped the mono on the main street.
Alright, come on then.
The dog bug.
In you get.
Oh.
Luckily for Robbie, we all knew Brennan, and he was just having a laugh with us. Hopefully with a bit of persuasion I can get Brendan and come on our next ride in 2025. Also a big thanks to Jane and Cade at Half Hitch Contracting. They let us park on their property, so that was very handy. Thanks guys.
Look at that! Open, open, open! Woohoo! Don't like those close signs, eh? We got Rob in front of us here now. Woohoo! There's Jason, his CRF 300. And he's on his DR 650. We got Sean here on his Tenere. There's Jono on his DR. A little bit of water out there, she's been wet. There's Brian on his 790.
So it's probably about time I give you guys a bit more info on this trip we're doing. Back in February I put a call out for people to join a trip that I was planning for the Flinders Rangers.
Look at him go. Holy shitballs.
So 9 fellas put their hands up to come along on the trip. We sort of aged between 44 and 60 something. And it was a good mix of characters too. Everyone got on really well.
Look how green it is out here. It's unbelievable. Puddles of water everywhere. Holy shit.
So the plan for this trip is to do 10 days and cover nearly 3,000 kilometres.
Wow, that CRF's got a bit of a wobble to it with the wind.
So most of us towed our bikes out to Thargomindah. One fella rode his bike, Andy. He rode up from New South Wales, so he did quite a trip.
Oh shit.
So today we're trying to get out to Cameron's Corner. Now we have been warned that the roads are closed, so we might have to go down to Tippleborough to get across and then head up to Cameron's Corner. We end up sort of cutting our own track and it turns into quite an adventure.
Now this chopper, we spoke to the pilot yesterday and he's going to come down and swoop us, he said, so hopefully he doesn't take our heads off. I recommend everyone get their own stickers done up at some point. They're good to... Yeah. We'll go up here. Oh shit. You'll see a few of mine down here. Right, Cameron's Corner, 257 Ks. We've made it to Nakundra. Just a pot. I think that was Glenn's idea. Bloody hell, Mal. You're a wild man. Wild man. Holy shit. Oh, fucking hell. Back wheel and all. Get ready for some dust. Woo! Fucking hell. I'm going this way now.
One thing you just never think about with the Australian outback is like flooded muddy roads. I've been out back a fair few times now, and I was lucky enough to be at Uluru once when it was raining, but other than that I wouldn't have thought it happened that often, but I reckon it happens more often than you think. Yeah, there's just a muddy quagmire out here at the moment.
Yikes. Oh. Yeah.
Being so remote out here, you just don't want to be getting bogged, so in this occasion I've made the choice to turn around. Because it's a very dusty, silty sort of mud, it's quite boggy and deep, so yeah, this is the best course of action.
Woo! What have I done? No, go, no, go, no, go, no, go, no, go that way. Don't stop, John. Don't stop, buddy. Don't stop. I'll give you a pull. Fucking hell, Ronnie! Gonna come and fucking help me! Oh. Dust, man. Ugh. Oh, shit. Whew. Fuck. Whew. Oh. 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 Whew. Oh, fuck me. Nah, not that way. This way. It's a no-go. Oh, we got a puncher. No, what do we got? You going swimming? Holy shitballs. Well, here you go. She's a little bit wet. She's a little bit wet, bro. I wonder how deep that is. Holy mackerel. That goes and goes and goes. Actually, you can see the edge of it around that side. There they are, they're over here. Well, it looks like 2 of them have made it over there, if they're our boys. Where are you, boys? Where the fuck is the track? Whew. I think we're off the fucking track. Ah, the fields are alive with the sound of motorbikes. This is the way. Whew. Good navigating. Whew. Holy shit! Really? Holy mackerel! Woo! We're across, baby! 8. Wait there, how many I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's still 2 behind John. We're missing 2. Cameron's Corner, woohoo! Is Andy here? Ah, fuck. We thought he was lost in the scrub.
Thanks, guys, for taking time to watch to the end. I hope you enjoyed it. We really enjoyed the trip. Now, this was a 10-day trip, so this is day 1 of the 10 days, so there's going to be 10 episodes. They just get better and better. The riding is amazing. We all come together as a team, and by the end of it, we're all best of mates. And it's a real journey. So stay tuned and follow us along.